Hello, I'm Seerath, and today I'm here to discuss scripts and pixels in Google Tag Manager. So, we are going to look at how to set up ad platforms such as Facebook Pixel, and we also will learn how to implement third party scripts and how do we use built in and custom HTML tags for the same purpose. Now, here we have our Google Tag Manager dashboard. So let's go to tags. Now, I have two tags here. One is for GA4 and other is for the scroll event, but we want to create a tag for Facebook. So let's click new. We have the option for tag configuration and triggers. So first, let's configure the tag. So whenever we click configure, we have a list of built-ins. So it is always advised to choose from this list because they are optimized, updated, and fast. So whenever you are trying to integrate something like if you want to integrate Google Analytics 4, so we can simply use this tag. Or if we are looking for something else like Hotjar. So we can use this tag. But right now we want to do Facebook Pixel and we cannot find that tag here. So what are we going to do? We simply can click custom HTML tag because this list does contain some pretty good tags, but not everything is covered inside it. So what if we actually want to create something that is not here? For that, we have custom HTML option. We click this and we get the option like the tag type is custom HTML and we get the option to paste the code. So here we paste the code that we get from Facebook Pixel. So basically it's a script tag and it is tracking page view. So now we go down and add triggers. We want it to be fired on all the pages. So on all the page views, we want this to be fired. Now let's rename this tag and give it an appropriate name. Let's say every Excel tag. And let's hit save. We can see that this tag is created here. And now, how do we know that whether it is being fired on the page view or not? For that, we have preview. As we discussed in the previous video, preview helps us to remove all the errors from our containers before actually pushing it live. So we also see that we have one workspace change here. So we change this and we have the change. So let's click preview. It will open up. Here we have Google Tag Assistant. Always check the ID of the container for which you want to debug, the site of the address of the website, and click connect. Now this is open in front of us. Let's scroll a bit because, yeah, all the events are fired. It's working. Now, if we see in the summary section, we see three tags. One is the GA4 configuration, other is a scroll event, and the third is the Facebook pixel tag that we just created. It's a custom HTML tag. So if we click here, we can see the type, custom HTML, the name, the code, and it's also giving us the message that 3 containers loaded. So yeah, we get all this information about the Facebook tag in our preview mode and we understand that yes, it's working, it's being fired on the page view. Now we have tested this, so let's close the tag assistant and come back here. Now let's say that you want to integrate Hotjar, which is a service that helps us to visualize things. So if we go to Hotjar, here simply we can just put an ID. So basically we can get this ID from the dashboard and we can simply put it here, click save and our job will be done. So this is the great thing about built-ins. We don't need to do a lot of things. We just need IDs for linking them. You can also go there and see other options that are available to us. We scroll, we have LinkedIn Insights, we have uh, Pinterest tag, we have Quora Pixel, and we also have Twitter. So a lot of options available here for us. One another important thing that we have here is conversion linker. So conversion linker is basically used for Google Ads, and it takes information from the URL, store it in the cookies, and it basically makes the entire conversion tracking process a bit easier. So you can see that no configuration is required here. We just need to save it and enable it. Discard. So this is how easy it is to install third-party scripts into Google Tag Manager. And if we go to overview, here we can see that one change happened. It's about Facebook pixel tag. And let's say that we don't wish to use this tag anymore. So we can abandon it. Like we discussed in the last video, we can abandon the changes that we do not need. So if I click abandon, it will be gone and our changes are back to zero, workspace changes are zero. So this is what scripts and pixel are in Google Tag Manager. Thank you.